One of my biggest frustrations with the new computer is that when I close the lid, it shuts it all the way down. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. You're going to go to the Start menu. You're going to type in Settings, and then open up your settings. Then you're going to go to, never mind, I'm going to try that again. One of the greatest frustrations of having a new computer is that when you close the keyboard over the screen, it shuts it all the way down and often disconnects from the internet. So there is a way to fix that. The way you're going to do it is go to the search bar at the bottom by the Start menu and start typing power and sleep. You're going to select power and sleep settings. When it opens up, it's going to look like this. And then there is related settings, additional power settings. You're going to select that. And then there's a selection, choose what the power button does and choose what closing the lid does. You're going to select close, select what closing the lid does, and then you can select what it does. So right now it's blank, just like it is right here with the power button. You're going to select do nothing for both on battery and plugged in if you choose. And then you're going to select Save Changes. And that will fix that problem.